Do you use TidyCal as an appointment booking software in your business? Then this video is very important for you. I am an owner of a business, and in my TidyCal account, I receive multiple bookings for the events that I host through TidyCal. Now, what I want is that as soon as I receive a new booking in my TidyCal, automatically the record of all the details of the booking should be added in Google Sheets. Now, maintaining the data directly, like adding the records manually, is a very time consuming part. You might enter error details, you might miss out on some of the bookings. Instead of doing all that, you can simply build the connection between TidyCal and Google Sheets directly. Let me show you how. I'm going to first show you that in my TidyCal account, I will create a new booking. Okay, so this is the link. I will open it on a new tab. And now let's create a new booking on 27th of May 2026. And the timing I will select over here as 1 p.m. Okay, now it is asking for all these details. So let me enter that. So you can see right over here, the details is test customer, test@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, age and city as Indore. I will book the event from here in my TidyCal account. As now the booking confirmation is done for the Pabbly Connect workshop. In my Google Sheets, if I will open it, you can see the record is created successfully. Name is test customer, email is test@pabblytudes.com. You can see this was the phone number, age was 26, city was Indore, and you can see the booking is on 27th of May 2026 at 1 p.m. That is the time we have selected, and the event name is Pabbly Connect workshop. So this is how this automation is going to work. A new booking will be created in your TidyCal account. Automatically, the details of the booking will be added in your Google Sheets as a systematic record. So now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this entire automation, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using the amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. I've been using Pabbly Connect for years now, and I've created 1,000+ automations using Pabbly Connect without facing any error or without facing any problems. So I'm using this software, and if you want to access Pabbly Connect as well, simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. On the landing page, you will have two options. If you already have an account with Pabbly Connect, simply sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry, simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup that I will teach you in this video right away. Test it out from your end, and then if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to automate your business workflows as well, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plan. And I have a gift for you as you are my viewer. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, the same code is added in the description section below, with help of which you will get amazing and instant discounts while purchasing our yearly and lifetime plan. Go ahead, use the code while checking out, and you will get instant amazing discounts. Automate your business workflows right away with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and I'm on the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, click on this Create Workflow button. I'm going to create the connection using the workflow builder, that is Quick Builder. Okay, so I will select this option right here. Now using this AI flow builder, if you add a simple prompt, what I want to connect TidyCal with Google Sheets. So I will write over here, new bookings as data in Google Sheets. So this is what I want. I will share this request towards this AI flow builder. As soon as I will do that, it will analyze my request, and now we have to select our events. In my trigger, as in TidyCal, a new booking will be created. Automatically in my Google Sheets, a new row of that data should be added. So this is what my requirement is. I will approve and create this workflow from here and open it. And you will see the template is going to appear in front of you. That means no selection of trigger and actions. Just simply build the connections and your workflow is created. Now over here, let's set up our trigger of TidyCal. Click on this connected option and go towards this add new connection. Click on this connect with TidyCal account. Before clicking on this button, open your TidyCal account on a new tab so the connection will be super easy. Okay, I'm going to click on this connect button right over here, and then it is asking for the authorization, the permission from our account, for which I'm going to click on this authorize button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now over here, select the response format as simple, and then you have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, as you will click on this button, the last booking that was created in your TidyCal account is going to be captured in this trigger response. So before that, I'm going to create another booking right over here in my TidyCal account in front of you, and then we are going to click on this save and send test request button option. Now I want to do the booking on 25th of May 2026, and the timing is going to be from 3 p.m. and now I have to enter all my details, so let me do that. So I've entered the details. Name is best user, email is best@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, age is 25 and the city is Delhi. I will book the event from here, and as soon as my booking using TidyCal is going to be completed, I'm going to go back and click on the save and send test request button, and you will receive the response right here, and you can see this is the same phone number. City is Delhi, age is 25. If I'll further scroll down, you can see the start is 25th of May. Now this is a UTC time zone format right here. I will convert this format into a basic format just like this later in this video. But before that, let me tally other details over here as well. You can see the event name is Pabbly Connect Workshop. You will see the same event name. If I'll further scroll down, you will find my details as well, like my name and email. So if I'll further scroll down, you can see my name is best user, my email is best@pabblytudes.com. Okay, so as now the response has been captured in the trigger, this means TidyCal is connected to Pabbly Connect. Before moving on to set up our Google Sheet step, I've showed you the start date, that is the booking date and time that we have received, that I want to keep as a record in my Google Sheets. I want in the simple format. But I have received this UTC time zone format right here. So now we are going to convert this format into the simple format. And how can we do that? For that, simply add an action step, in which for the action application, select over here as date time formatter by Pabbly. It's an amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, using which you can easily format the date and time zone according to your requirement. Event is going to be format date with time zone. Click on this connect button. Now it is asking for the date that I want to edit. For the data of this field, I will map the data. For mapping the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear where search for the start, because I want to edit the start date right here. As I want to edit this date, I will select the data of this date from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. From format is going to be the same format. To format is going to be this format, because this is what I want. From time zone is going to be UTC time zone, because I have received this date and time in a UTC time zone format. And the to time zone is going to be your own country's time zone. I will select it as Asia Kolkata, as I am in India. Okay. Response format is going to be simple. I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, and I have received 25th of May at 3 p.m. That is my booking date and time. So as now I've received the response, let's create the record of the date and other details of the event booking in my Google Sheets. Click on this connect button and go towards the add new connection option. Go towards the sign in with Google option. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet right here. And then it is asking for the access of your account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection has been created for the spreadsheet, first I will select over here as TidyCal booking details. So if I'm going to go back for the spreadsheet, I'll select this from here. As soon as I will do that, next for the sheet, I will select it as sheet 1, you can see. Okay. Now it is asking for name, email, phone number, age, city, booking date and time, and the event name. These are the headers that you will create in your spreadsheet. It is going to appear like this inside Pabbly Connect's Google Sheet step. For the data of each field, I will map the data right over here. So let me map the data and show you. Email is right over here. For the phone number, I will map the date of the phone number that I've received right here. So let me do that. Next, it is asking for the age. So I will map the date of the age that I've received. It is asking for the city. So I'm going to map the date of the city right over here. It is asking for the booking date and time. For that, I will map the date of this formatted booking date and time that I have generated. And lastly, for the event name, I will map the date of the event title that I've received. Okay, so this is the title. And simply click on the save and send test request button, where this is the response that I've received. That's a positive response, and in my Google Sheets you will see right over here the record has also been created. Best user, best@pabblytudes.com, same phone number, age 25, city Delhi. This was the date and time with the every detail, and the event name is Pabbly Connect Workshop. So as now the record is created successfully, this means that TidyCal is now connected to Google Sheets. Now whenever a new booking will be done in your TidyCal account by any of your participant, automatically the record of the details, every single detail will be created in Google Sheets. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan of Pabbly Connect, use the code ANGYT, that's on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get instant and amazing discounts on Pabbly Connect's yearly and lifetime plans purchase. With that, if you want a free template of this workflow that I have created, the workflow link is in the description section. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.